Here I'm using Windex. You can see it's off position, rinse position, and clean. What you do, you want to rinse first, turn to rinse, just with water. After that, clean. As you can see that I am on top of the roof. I couldn't set up the ladder from the side of the house because the ground sloped down. So that's why I am cleaning the panels from the top of the roof. Make sure the water hose hooked up to the bottle and the knob on rinse. You want to wet the panels first and rinse the dust off as much as you can. Now turn the knob to clean and then wash the panels. What you want to do is wash the panels one or two sections at a time so it won't dry up. What I use is telescope pole connected to a soft brush and gently scrubbing the panels. After that, turn the knob to rinse and rinse the panels. It doesn't need to be perfect as long as you get the majority of it. And by the way, these are my solar electric attic fans, so I went ahead and cleaned them as well. That's it, and now you know how to clean your solar panels. I usually clean them once a year, so thanks for watching and please subscribe.